going to show you guys how to do the brand new Tram robbery. So I'm currently a villain, and I'll show you guys how to do it in the next video. Okay, so basically there's just a lot of cash lying down. So I'm pretty sure that you can get as much money as you want. So if you keep on staying in here, there's no limit. You can just keep on getting money and money. So it's a really good way to get a lot of money. Okay, so there's some cash. So when it respawns, then try getting it again. So I'll wait for maybe the gold to respawn. Okay, so let me get this cash. Okay, is there anything else or? Okay, so it doesn't look like it respawns. But if you get out and once everything respawns, then you can keep on getting cash. So there's basically no limit. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Bye.